Super Mario Bros. Is one of the most famous video game franchises of all time. Of course, there are the actual games, but there's also been a huge amount of merchandise based off of the characters. I own some, obviously, but if we dig deep, we'll find a gem known as Super Mario Chess Collector's Edition. Officially licensed by Nintendo, USAopoly has blessed us with a game of chess with the Mario Bros. Theme. The box says that it has 32 playing pieces of Mario characters that take on the roles of chess pieces. Let's open it up and see what we get. First, I would like to mention these hard pieces. There's a lot of detail and the plastic looks good. Not great, but good. Let's unfold the board and read up on the instructions. It doesn't matter, it's just chess. I'm not expecting anything mind-blowing. Okay, now let's set this up. So, the rooks are Goombas and Toads, the knights are Birdos and Yoshi'S, the bishops are Magikoops and Peach and Daisy, the queens are Bowser Jr. and Luigi, the kings are Bowser and Mario, and the pawns are green shells and coins. It's a little weird having Luigi and Bowser Jr. being the queens, but it doesn't matter much. Okay, let's play a game. Yeah. Overall, Super Mario Chess is nothing special, but nothing bad either. You get what you get. I like it, but that's probably because I like chess more than checkers. Thank you very much for watching.